Okay, let's go. Alright. Alright, hey YouTube. My name is Almighty 813 I'm about to show y'all how to make a bruise on dark skin. So a lot of YouTube, what I know is a lot of tutorials show you how to make it on fair skin. So to make it more realistic, you will have to use darker colors. Here's the palette that I'm using is for BH Cosmetic, Bring Me to Brazil. But pretty much you can use any palette that has these colors that I'm going to use, which is going to be here, black. I'm going to use this blue, it's like a navy blue. A little bit of this dark purple, and as well red. But I will show you here on my wrist how I'm going to apply these colors here. So I'm just using, you know, a regular what do you call this, a regular eyeshadow brush. So the first color that I'm going to use here is going to be purple. I'm going to be looking in the mirror right here as I do it, so if you see me looking to the side, that's why. So I'm not going to be switching brushes because we're going to blend this all together anyways. See? So first start with see how I'm applying this purple? I'm just using it in a circle motion. Bruises are not perfect, so you don't have to make it in a perfect shape, but I'm just going around like this. See how the purple is applied? Now I'm going to use some of this dark, is like a navy blue, this one, if you didn't catch it the first time. See how it's starting to look already? The red is what's really gonna tie it together. I don't know if I can see it like that. Hope you can see it if I'm not looking crazy. Then I'm gonna use start using the red. So the red is what really gonna tie it together, what makes the bruise look more realistic. Because if you overdo it, if you overdo too much of the purple, if you overdo the blue or overdo the black, it's not gonna look as realistic. Because in actuality, bruise on a dark skinned person isn't, like, it is dark, it is noticeable, but it's not that dark. So don't do too much. I'm going to show you how it looks so far. See? Alright, so I lied. I will be using this brush, this powder brush. I think that's what you call it, yeah, powder brush. And excuse it looking dirty. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm blending. See how it blends a little bit better? So use a brush like, if you have a brush like this. If not, you'll be fine, as long as you just keep blending it in. So I'm going to use a little bit of the black. Now, don't do too much. Just a little bit. You're going to have to really blend the black, because if you do too much of it, it won't look good. Now I'm going to add a little bit more red. Because that's the primary color that you really need for this, is really the red. Alright. Blending it some more. So, oh baby, I put too much. Alright, sorry. I'm gonna use a little bit more of the blue and purple to tone that down. So if you do too much into the colors, as long as you use a little bit more of the other color, it'll tone it down. You see it? See how the bruise look? Actually look like a bruise. Oh my gosh, I really hope y'all can see this because I got this camera full. So, oh my gosh, I got beat up. Let me stop. But yeah, look. And that's how you get a bruise on a dark skinned person. So you can do it on your, if you're doing it for a prank, baby, follow my advice. Because I see a lot of videos are shown on white people and it's not the same as a white person. It won't look the same because I think theirs is more like, you know, you'll see green and stuff like that. And you don't really see that on dark skinned people. So, or deeper skin toned people. So here you go. And thank you for watching. Please click subscribe and please give a thumbs up for this video.